Welcome students. In this video I'm going to teach you how to solve the following two integrals. So the first integral says that x cos x squared dx, and the second integral says that x sine x squared dx. So these integrals are very similar to each other. So notice that we have an inside function. That means that we're probably going to have to use chain rule, and that's what we're going to do. So let u equals x squared, and then let du equals 2x dx. So I see an x here, but I don't see a 2. That means that I have to divide by 2 here. That means that the integral becomes 1/2 cos u du. But the half compensates for these 2. Then we solve it. What's the antiderivative of cos u? That's going to be sine. It's going to be 1/2 sine u plus c, and then that's equal. So now what we have to do is plug in u. So 1/2 sine, and what is u? We have it here, x squared plus c. So that solves the first integral. Now the second integral is done similarly. So we'll let u equals x squared, and then du is gonna equal to the derivative, so that's going to be 2x dx. Now we're plugging into the original integral, because the 2 we have to compensate again. So 1/2, and then we're gonna have sine u du. Notice we have similar here. This is cos, this is sine. So what's the antiderivative of sine? Is negative cos. Okay, so that's equal to negative 1/2 cos of u plus c. Now we plug in u, the last step. U is equal to x squared, so that's going to be equal to negative 1/2 cos x squared plus c. Notice the answers are very similar, but one uses cos and the other one uses sine. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, please. You'll help me a lot by doing that.